Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on REALME 11 Pro Plus. So first, clean the microphone ports with non-metallic tools. They are right in here and right in here. Don't use any metallic tools, as I said, just compressed air or Q-tips, something like that. Then test your microphone in an recording app, for example. And as you can see, it is recording me. No, don't want to save, cancel. If you have still any issues, then try to restart your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.